Hello, this is my first YouTube video. Today I'm going to be showing you a model 125 scale td25 US logging version dozer with the root brake blade. I just took the top lid off and it comes with tissues. I'll be unboxing this, so take all this crap out, take all that out. And the model's just safely in there, nothing broken. 125, and this is quite expensive, this model, but yeah. I'll get on to the review. I just unbox it, take it out of here. Pull the tissue off it. So the model, it's International Harvester, td25 US version. It's very detailed. Like it's got like the edge grill and the interior in there. And I haven't seen too many on YouTube of these, so it's massive. Here, I just This is a td15 with the cab and stuff off it, and it doesn't even reach up to the tracks. This thing is massive. I woke up on Christmas Day and this box is just sitting here like, oh, so it's huge. And it's got the new crate on, no lights, ROPS. I bought this one because I'm into logging, and it has the winch and stuff which I want to. This is a pain to get out. So I'm gonna do it. Maybe if you, yep. Okay. The winch doesn't it's not like real casting. It's just like fake. But that is real. And it doesn't stretches out to that long. So and then I have like a log right there. But whatever. Comes with a hitch, so you can put in plows and the sheep's what's it called, sheep's foot. Comes with the pin, comes with like 3 of these spare ones. Yep. It doesn't have any hydraulic things to put in there, so you can like set the tires to it up. The blade moves up only that much off the ground, so it's like not even high off the ground, only that much. That doesn't open metal tracks. This has a tilting thing just here, but it doesn't on that side, so the blade doesn't tilt. It's like any other first gear models. I'm not going to be dios because that wrecks them and stuff. It's mesh, has mesh for logging and mesh there. Fine detail and stuff in the interior there. I don't want to feel like moving them because I might break them. Yep, ROPS, a few lights, not much really to it. I'll turn it upside down for you. Oh, there's the butcher down for it there. That's the bottom of it. Just there. And the tracks. This moves up pretty good, but you want to be pretty delicate because they're pretty delicate, so you want to be pretty good with them. And this one moves really hard. So one's soft and one's really stiff. Has a hitch, so you can put cable, whatever, the tow a tree out or another machine or something. Just there. Has suspension on the tracks. Using those and the root blade. It's really heavy. It's like really heavy. But it's a good shelf model. It's like my first model, so won't be collecting 125s. I just bought this, so I'll be collecting 150 scales. I have a lot of them, but my camera's pretty shit, so mind that. Metal tracks with good grouses on it. I have this, one of these in real life, my dad does, so we drive one of them. Get a view of the front of it. It's long, it's really long. Try and stand up here. I'm not going to sit there. But yeah, anyway. Porsche triggering box. Yeah, it's a pretty good model. All metal besides your smokestack. Smokestack, handrails, and these. That's all, and the rest is just metal. Really heavy, really good, nice. Mainly for logging. It only fits on the T908 spread deck on 50 scale T908 dual or whatever. It only fits with its spread deck. No other truck. This fits. I've really seen trucks. That's the back of it. Yeah, it only fits in that. So, yep. If you're looking for a truck for it, I suggest that one, even though it's really expensive. Might fit on the sword, but I don't know. Anyway, it's got finer graphics. There, the US stickers there, and international on there. It's about the same horsepower as the D8H. It's my review on the International Harvester First Gear 125th td25 bush rake. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.